Need cryptographic strength randomness in a single line of code? Sheer Power's built-in random bytes function delivers fast, secure, and truly random binary strings, perfect for encryption, token generation, and more. In this video, we'll show you how to use it and why it matters in real-world security. When it comes to encryption, predictable randomness is your enemy. Sheer Power's random bytes function is designed to give you cryptographically strong randomness, secure enough for one-time pads, tokens, and session keys. The function takes one parameter, how many random bytes you want, and returns exactly that many cryptographically secure binary bytes. No setup. No dependencies. Just one call. In this example, we generate a random key the same length as the phrase, XOR them to encrypt it, then encode the result in base 64 so it can be safely sent over email. To decrypt, just XOR the encrypted message with the same random key. That's the magic of a one-time pad, simple math, perfect security, if the key is truly random and never reused. Each step is clear: readable input, secure random key, binary encrypted output, and base 64 for transmission. This is production-grade encryption logic with just a few lines of Sheer Power code. Whether you're building secure communications or generating tokens, Random Bytes function delivers high-grade randomness with zero complexity, built right into the Sheer Power language.